What's up, Moto Buddies? Here we've got an interesting apparatus. We're in the laundry room here with the big freezer, and I've got my header pipe off a bike that we've been working on, and we had a before situation where we had a lot of indentations, lots of rock dents. This is a FMF header pipe on a 450, and this particular one was really indented. These have this discoloration still there, but in terms of the dent that once was there, you see that profile, they're essentially gone, they're all pushed out. And so what we've done here is we've used the power of freezing water to push out those dents. So we made this jig which captures this plate. This material here is just some sticker, some old sticker off a bike. We did a refresh on some of the vinyl work on a bike, and so that's what that is. We tried some gasket material, not cork, but like some rubber gasket material, and then the header just basically cut through it. We tried some tubes, even some Bridgestone ultra heavy tubes, and it just sliced right through it. And so just on a whim, I grabbed some of this sticker, the old pull off sticker, and it worked great, absolutely fantastic. Something interesting you'll notice here is how the power of the freezing water buckled this plate that was flat, and then over here didn't seem to do much on that side, but this one bowed out, and that's because just that force of that water, that pressure pushing the ice, pushing that out. So, you know, we've tried this many times with like plumbing end caps, and it depends on the inside and outside diameter of the pipe and then the cap as to whether or not it's really going to do a good job sealing. It's about 50% of the time it works, pretty hit and miss. So after being frustrated on this particular bike, not being able to find any pipe caps, we just kind of went ahead and made this. So you can see what we've got. It's pretty simple. These are just pipe clamps. These are like plumbing clamps that you can get maybe at a plumbing supply house. These are industrial pipe clamps. And then we welded onto it these little brackets here, and we've got some plate, put some bolts on there. You can see how simple the engineering is for this, but basically, this was sufficient to trap and retain the water in there and capture all the energy of the expanding ice into pushing out those dents. So how it essentially works is because a circle is the strongest shape in nature, anything that is not a circle is a weak point, and so all of these just pushed out. So we repaired this pipe for, I don't know, maybe a couple of bucks worth of materials, some welding time, and just some fab time. And so now that we've got this jig, we can reuse this on this particular, all of this sizing is kind of unique to this header pipe, but we'll be able to use it over and over again. So there you go. If anybody tells you that it's crazy to put your header pipe in the freezer with some water in it to repair it, they're the ones who are crazy. Get out there and have some adventure.